Hi everybody, how are you? I'm back with another video about hair systems. So this is basically to let you know that I have a new hair system that I'm going to install. So I have a new hair system from Lordhair. It's a new hair system that I got, but it's actually the same hair system that I had before, the last one that I didn't get to review. But the first couple of weeks that I used it, it was amazing. It was the best one so far. The hair was really good, and the full lace base was really comfortable. So this is my new Champion hair system. It's a 1B color, which is I know that due to the light ring it may look lighter than it is, but it's actually quite dark. My problem is that my beard is lighter than my hair color, and my hair has some grays on the sides as well. So I usually prefer to have like a 10% gray hair, but if not, it's okay, because on the back my hair is not gray. So next time you see me, it will be when I have this installed, cut and styled by my hairdresser, which will happen tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a split second, even though here in real time it will be tomorrow. Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm back from my hairdresser and I got this gorgeous haircut. You like it? It's kind of like a Man of the Caves era haircut. I think it's gorgeous, it's stunning. I'm kidding, of course. I haven't been to my hairdresser yet. This is what my hair looks like after getting it installed and before the haircut and the hairstyling. So as you can see, it doesn't look the way it looked right out of the box, because as I told you, the hair has some kind of a silicone product that the manufacturers put on the hair for in order to be able to maintain it. So before you install it, you need to wash it so that it doesn't have problems when you want to install it. So this is what my hair looks like after being washed, shampooed, and blow dried. So as you can see, it has more of a natural, real hair look instead of that shiny, glossy look that it has when you get it out of the box. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you install it and you don't get a cut. I could stay with this hair, like I could straighten the hair and be like this and look gorgeous, darling. But no, I'm going to get, of course, a very stylish and trendy haircut, hopefully. So I will show you guys in a few minutes. I will get in my haircut tonight, but you guys will see it in a few minutes. So, but if you guys like this haircut, maybe for my next hair system, I will just make sure it's slightly cut so that it takes a bit more shape. But I can totally rock this longish haircut because I think I look stunning and gorgeous. So I'll see you in a bit with my new haircut. Hey everybody, I'm back, and you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, why my hair is like this. I just recorded a video for an audition for a musical. I'm not gonna say anything else, so because I don't want to jinx it. So I wanted to show you what my hair system looks like after I got the haircut last night. And right now I'm sporting kind of like an office dad look, which means that the hair system is adaptable for any kind of look you need. If you need something more modern, you can go ahead and style it in a different way. But if you want to have this kind of like classic dad look, you can have that as well. So like I said, this is the Champion model from Hair System. It's a full lace. As of now, I'm still using tape on the perimeter to install it. Probably on the next install, I will start using liquid adhesive on the front. I didn't want to use it this time because since the hair was so long, like you could see a few minutes ago, I didn't want to make a mess because it was going to be my first time and I didn't want to mess things up. So I stuck to tape. This is just for you to show you what it looks like. Now that I recorded the audition, I can mess up my hair a little bit so that I don't look like an office dad anymore. I mean, I'm old enough to be an office dad, but I'm not. So crazy hair all around. Woo! Okay, so guys, once again, this is from Lordhair. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a good hair day. Bye.